stuck with the Windows Print Module DLL failure compromising your core library map. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we dive into the Windows Print Module manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Windows Print Module, the primary print processor library for Windows. It manages the localized translation of document data into a format the printer driver can understand. If missing or corrupted, the system will fail to process any print jobs, even if the printer is online, resulting in a printer error in the system tray. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Winprint is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Windows Print Module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Windows Print Module DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Windows Print Module and registry optimization. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Windows Print Module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.